welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Lees, and today I'm going to making a sort of a twist on guacamole. I'm trying to recreate a recipe that a friend brought to a party. It's a rosemary herbed guacamole. I hope it's as easy as I think it will be. It's a really lovely change on a really familiar flavor. I was really impressed. I don't know, it's earthier, and I liked it better than the regular guacamole at the party, and I made that guacamole. So, alright, so here's the deal. In this container here, I have 1 clove of garlic, 1 small jalapeno, or you could use a serrano or whatever, 1 chili pepper, green chili pepper, 1 clove of garlic, and about 4 sprigs about this long of rosemary with the leaves pulled off, and the stems are in the sink, but there's like about 4 or 5 inches long, so I just pulled them off. And I'm going to try to do this in this bullet. I think if I can't get it to do it in there, I'm going to resort to this mortar and pestle, but I prefer not to have to do that. So let's see if this works. Alright. The garlic is not bad. Alright. I think I will try to do a little bit more mushing in here though, to get it really into a paste, so I don't have chunks of rosemary or garlic or even pepper in there, so you get big bites of too much burst of flavor. It worked pretty well though. It's not quite a paste. So I'm going to do this. And then, this is not the best mortar and pestle. It doesn't have enough, it's not gritty enough. It's like, they make these black stone ones that are really gritty and really allow you to grind stuff better. But, alright. It's about as good as I'm going to get it. I might need more. It smells really peppery. I might need a lot more rosemary, but I'm going to worry about that when I taste it. Okay. A couple of things here. Couple of secrets. An easy way to get the pit out of an avocado is carefully do that and twist. Oh, I broke it. It lifts the seed out. Oh, it broke it in half. But it takes the seed out pretty easily that way. And another trick is I like to reserve one of these pits or 2 for the guacamole and put the pit back in the finished guacamole. If you put your pits in the guacamole will not turn brown. Lime juice obviously helps that too, but it's nice to, the pits, just take it to the next level and stop it from turning brown on you. Alright, I'm going to scoop all these. This is 4 avocados. I'm going to scoop them in here and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I took a knife and I did this. I cut all the avocados into smaller pieces, all 4 of them, with a knife, and then when they were small, took a fork and I mashed it all up. So now it's a good, kind of like a chunky guac. There's a couple of chunks in there, but I like it that way, and they're going to get broken up a little bit more when I add the other things. So now I'm going to add this combination of garlic and rosemary and jalapeno. Watch me put my finger in my eye later today. I do have a sneaking suspicion I'm going to want to add more rosemary. But before I do that, I'm going to squeeze the juice of a lime in here. Half a lime, actually. We'll see if I need the other half. Right. And a teaspoon of salt, maybe. And that should be it. If it's not it, all it's going to need is more rosemary, but let's see. Guacamole is very much a to-taste thing, as far as heat and salt and lime. Okay, I guess now I just need to taste it, see what I think. Of course, I don't have any fucking chips. I'm just going to taste it with this fork. Alright. As I suspected, it needs more rosemary. I'm going to go get some. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a little handful here of more rosemary. I'm going to, as I said, pull it off the stem. pretty soft. The stem is soft. All right. Put a little lime juice in there maybe to make it easier to blend up. And putting my pit back in the guacamole to keep it What if I put a little guac in there? That would maybe make it puree better. I'm going to do that. Let's see. Really need to invest in a better mortar and pestle. I'm going to add a little water. Look at me go crazy. I really needed to get this to a paste. You don't want to bite into a big old chunk of rosemary, I don't think. Okay. Proper mortar and pestle will go a long way at this. All right. All right, I need a little spoon to taste. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's about it. That's good. So that's it. I think it's got the proper amount of salt and lime. Yeah, that's it. That is my recipe for rosemary guacamole. Again, you can make it spicier or limier or saltier or even more rosemary-ier to suit your own taste, but I think your friends will enjoy it. If you like rosemary, and who doesn't, I think you'll like this. So there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, until next time. Thanks. Bye.